everybody, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my creamy roasted garlic chicken pasta, and boy is it delicious. And guess what? It's a 30-minute meal, so let's get started. Okay friends, this is all of the ingredients I will be using. No worries, I will have it all listed below so that you'll have the quantities. So what I start out doing is I mixed all my seasoning blends together. So you'll take all your dry blends and you will mix them all together. And then you will take your chicken and wash it in vinegar and then put it into bite-sized pieces as I've done. And then I seasoned it with that wonderful seasoning blend. The next step is to pan sear the chicken. You want it to have a nice little crunch on it or a nice little browning going on in your chicken. And you don't want to overcrowd your pan because it will actually steam it and it won't get that nice crispiness that you really want, and it'll cook faster. So after it's browned on one side, I'll flip it on the other side. More chicken you have, the more batches you're going to have to fry because you do not want to, like I said, overcrowd the pan. So if you have not hit the thumbs up button, please do so now. It's a free way to support the channel. So I washed my pan out because it was so much extra going on in the pan. I know it's got the yummy stuff in there, but I wanted to try to keep the sauce not so red. So I've added some EZOO, I've added in the onion, I started sauteing that, I added salt and pepper to that so that it can actually help it to get more translucent. And then I sauteed that, added a little bit of garlic in there, and now I've added my cooked risotto into the pan. Now I'm adding in some heavy whipping cream. I let that get warm, and now I'm adding in my Parmesan blend. It's a couple, I have Reggiano, and then I have regular Parmesan in there. Then we're gonna just stir to combine this. So you guys, like I said, this meal comes together so quickly. It's unbelievable how quick it comes together. So now I'm added in the roasted garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes. I kind of had julienne ones, but I wanted a little bit smaller, so I chopped the julienne ones into smaller bite-sized pieces. And now I've added in dry Parmesan, but you can use fresh Parmesan if you like. Next goes in all of that chicken that we cooked earlier. And I'm gonna steal a piece, so ignore that piece right there that I'm stealing. Anyway, that chicken is really good. Anyway, so I'm stirring to combine this. I'm gonna do my little taste test. I'm gonna top it with some fresh Parmesan, some more Parmesan probably, and a little bit of fresh parsley. You guys, if you want a quick meal, great go-to meal, this is it. And it is done just that fast. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments. I love reading them. And also, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Boy, that is so darn good. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.